Hey there everyone, welcome to our series Automate the Boring Stuff in Ansys Mechanical. In today's video, we will be looking at materials and the materials module. So let's access the material object from here. So as you can see, I have added two materials here in the engineering data. First one is aluminum alloy, second one is structural steel. Uh, let's access the material objects here. So to do that, we can go to model dot materials dot get children, or we can just type children's because I don't see anything, any other children apart from materials in this materials object. So I can just type children instead of get children. So you will see I'm getting two materials here. See the type of it. It is Ansys ACT automation mechanical material. It's not showing material class anywhere. And to access the first element, we can just enter index 0 and I will name it as M1. So to understand what is M1, since I have not selected anything, I don't know which one it is. So I will just call the function activate. So it should select material. So as you can see, it is structural steel, and you can see all this all this read-only properties, right? And you can see this new window coming up. I don't like this window. Let's turn it off. So you can go to File, Options, and then UI options. Here, instead of window, mechanical view window, just make it none. So you will see the old classic way which used to come up. Let's refresh it once. Yeah, now we are good. So you can see this is structural steel and this. And if you see the properties of it, there is not much that you can do. You can add some figures in your report. We will see report automation as well. So you will see that you can add an image for this aluminum alloy, that which parts are assigned with aluminum alloy, which parts are assigned with uh, structural steel, and then you can check which are the assigned bodies. For example, this one. So 5 bodies are assigned with structural steel. This is actually number of point which is somewhere here. And we can also check add material assignment. It says runs the material assignment function. So you can see here again we can do some add the geometry, but this is not the ideal way that we do typically. We usually assign from the bodies. So we will go to bodies and see. Let me delete it. And then what else we have? We cannot read the Young's modulus or uh, density specificate from here because it is not showing anything. Let's say I want to access the density. Will it show? No. See, it's telling material object has no attribute density because these things are available under material class, which is under materials module. So we will get into that. Let's go to body first. Let's pick up any body. So I will just go to model dot geometry dot bodies. I'm getting 6. This is the count. This is not what I want. Geometry dot get children, and then I will type data model object category as bodies body, and then I will add recursive tool. So you will see I got 6 materials. Let's access the first one and name it as B1. So I don't know which one it has selected. So let's run the activate function. You will see it has selected body E. Okay. And let's me clear this. So I know B1 is a body. It's not a geo body wrapper. And I will also show you how to access material class from body wrapper. So here I will see material dot M1 dot material. You will see it is aluminum alloy. So B1 is a get and set property. So you can also assign, and it has to be a string. So let's make it structural steel. Structural steel. Spelling has to be same. Suppose I give wrong spelling, it will say there is an error. And if I do that, you will see it has changed to structural steel now. Again, you cannot access the material class here, like what is the Young's modulus, all those things. So this is one way of getting the material from this geometry objects or body objects. Let's see how to get from geodata. So to access geo body wrapper from body object, you can just type b1 dot get geo body. We have already seen that before. You will see it's returning body wrapper. Let me assign it to bg1. Bg1 is nothing but body geodata. And then bg1 we have bg1.material. Now this is where everything starts. So you are seeing initially what we saw, it was m1, right? M1 we saw it was mechanical material, but now we are seeing engineering data material class. So we are directly accessing the materials under the engineering data. But please note, these are read-only properties. To actually create material and edit the existing material, you need to access from this container. So as you know, we don't change from here, right? We don't go to this material and change any of the property here. We go to engineering data. So this is something from container side, not from mechanical side. So right now we are working only on mechanical, so we will only see the read-only properties. In next video, probably I will show you the container method, like how to add materials, how to edit materials from there. So I got the material class, which is bg1.material. So what I will do is I will just type, I will run that bg1.material. I will assign it to a variable body1 material, b1 material, which is nothing but body1 material. So now let's import the materials model. So it is import materials. So material, if I just type the class, you will see this module is available in this. You can go to this Python file, read it. All the functions are written there, how it is working, that also you can read. And then here what I will type is materials dot get material get list material property. Let's see what it is written. Okay, so we had B1 material. Yeah, so this is all the properties that is available within the material which is assigned to body one. Okay, so to read that material properties, what you will do, you will just type materials dot get material property by name, and then you have to type for which material you are working. It is B1 material, and then you have to choose any of the required properties. For example, most important is density, which we use majorly, and we will go elasticity. I will show you both. So first is density. It has to be a string. So just type this density and you will see it is giving a dictionary. Let's see whether it is dictionary or not. We will just type get type, and it is, yeah, it is a dictionary. Okay, so to access dictionary, what we have to do, we have to use square brackets and give the key name. This is key, this is a value. So value is again a list, again key, again a list. Okay, so here I want to access density again within the dictionary. So if I do that, you will see it is giving me a unit and also its value. To access the value, what to do, this is a list, so you have to pass the index. This is 0th index, this is 1 index. So I will rerun that, and if I type 1, you will see it is giving me 7850. What happens if you do assign it forcefully, like instead of 7850, I will write 8850. It will not give you error, but actually it has not changed anything. These are just read-only property. Even if you try to assign, it's not going to assign anything. Next is after density, we can check for elasticity. So this is pretty long. So if you let me run that in new window. Yeah. So if I do that, you will see it is giving shear modulus. Again, it's a list, and then bulk modulus, again a list, Poisson's ratio. To access bulk modulus, again you have to do this and then enter the key value. Key is not the key value, key, and the key is bulk modulus here. Just type bulk modulus, you will get the property here. Again, these are read-only properties. You cannot edit it. Now to access tensile strength, what to do? So I don't remember. I will call the function once again. B1 material. So for tensile yield strength, you have to copy this one, rerun this, and type tensile yield strength. So again, you will get tensile yield strength Pascal 2.5. e to power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, e to power 8. So again, you can access this alone. See, you will see you are getting this. Again, to access the first index, just type 1. You will get 22.5 this 250 MPa. So this was on elasticity and this was on material module. As I said, you cannot edit it. These are just read-only properties. These are useful. This comes handy. And to assign materials, you can access the body and go to assignment. Please note, don't do b1.assignment. I will show you why. Because it throws error. b1 is the body. b1.assignment. See, it is telling has become obsolete. Use material property instead. So use the material property. Don't use the assignment. Thank you all, and see you soon in next video.